Good morning, everyone. This is Michael Brooker here at Smart Sod. I just want to kind of go over a thing with you guys and tell you about what's the best time of year, in my opinion, to lay sod. And my favorite time of year to lay sod is in the cooler months. And the reason that is, whenever you harvest sod, you're actually hurting it just a little bit because you're actually cutting its root system off. So in the wintertime, much like a fruit tree, the best time to prune a fruit tree is in the cooler months because it's not growing, it's not thriving. However, the springtime is a very popular time to lay sod and to sod your yard. So if you're going to lay your yard in the springtime, I would suggest making sure that the moisture level is correct. You're not too hot, not too much water, and then you can grow the sod to the correct level.